members are struggling. They are trying to climb the barricades. However, they are not being allowed to
Okay,
move
of course.
forward.
Hold that thought. Mr. Jairam Navesh is speaking. Let's listen in.
हैं पार्लियामेंट हाउस से लेकर निर्वाचन सदन तक और सामूहिक तरीके से सारे सांसद इलेक्शन कमीशन को एक दस्तावेज पेश करना चाहते हैं एसआईआर को लेकर। यही हमारी मांग थी और मैंने कल दोपहर को चुनाव आयोग को ये खत लिखा था। अफसोस की बात है कि चुनाव आयोग जो अभी चुनाव आयोग बन गया है उस खत का जवाब नहीं देती है और अभी कहती है कि सिर्फ 30 सांसद आ सकते हैं। हमारी मांग थी कि सारे विपक्ष के सांसद सामूहिक ढंग से उनको एक दस्तावेज पेश करें। अभी हमें यहीं रोका गया है, निर्वाचन सदन तक हमें चलने नहीं दी जा रही है। तो ये तो यही तो पार्लियामेंट के सामने, संसद के सामने संसद की हत्या हो रही है।
Being stopped over here only the parliament seat, we are not being allowed to march towards the to ECI. Although the ECI is saying that we are agreed to meet to a delegation of 30 MPs. So how do you see this?
So look, for me the issue is very simple. Rahul ji has raised some serious questions. They deserve serious answers. The Election Commission, I believe, not only has a responsibility to the nation, but it has a responsibility to itself. That there should not be any doubts left in the minds of the public about this entire credibility of our elections. The elections matter to the whole country. And our democracy is too precious to be jeopardized by doubts about whether there is duplicate voting, whether there are multiple addresses, whether there are fake votes. All of this, and manipulation is the worst case scenario. But if there are doubts in people's minds, they should be addressed. There may be answers available to these questions, but those answers must be provided credibly. That is my only request, that the Election Commission should take the questions and address them, rather than insisting on formalities.
Do you think some credibility has gone down of ECI because opposition is raising questions? They are not getting answers.
Naturally, as long as there are doubts in the minds of people about the fairness of the elections, that is harming the credibility of the Election Commission. As long as those doubts are removed, then the Election Commission's credibility can be regained. So the Election Commission's own interest lies in addressing these questions.
Continue to track the protests that are taking place. My colleague has spoken to leaders. Take a listen to what they said right before